Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which graphics card you have on your Windows 11 laptop or PC here. So if you don't know how to check which graphics card that you have on your laptop if you're installed Windows 11 here, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you just need to go to the search bar here, then search for device manager here. And as you can see, here's the device manager option here, so just click on it to open this device manager window here. After opening the device manager here, you need to find the display adapters option here. As you can see, here's the option called display adapters, so just click on this arrow button here, and here you will find the name of your graphics card here. As you can see, this Windows 11 have Intel UHD graphics 620 here. So this is how you can check which graphics card that you have in your laptop or PC in Windows 11 here. And also, if you want to check the properties here, just right click on and click on properties, and here it will show about the display driver and also the details option here. So that's it guys, this is how you can check which graphics card you have on your Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.